Molten hot beef tallow is cooking this fish to perfection. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making halibut flambadou. We want to start by heating up the flambadou, so I'll show you how. We're going to fill up a chimney starter and dump into a grill. Then we need to heat up the flambadou, so let's place that amongst the embers. While the flambadou is heating up, we're going to start preparing all the ingredients. We're going to finely dice chives. Next, we're going to use a mandolin to julienne some green apples, and then we're going to dice it into really small pieces. We're also going to pick the petals from some edible flowers. We got a beautiful halibut here. We want to slice it into thin slices. Then we're going to place these slices on a plate. We're going to add the green apple dices. We're also going to add the chives, and then we're going to season with salt and pepper. All the ingredients are ready. The flambadou is hot. Let's start cooking. We're going to remove the flambadou from the ember bed, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of beef tallow, and then we're going to carefully let this cook the halibut. And look at the melting beef tallow cooking the fish. Next, we're going to place some edible flowers on the plate, and then this beautiful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my halibut flambadou. And I think the only thing left to do is to try one of these pieces, and look at that. That looks amazing. Smells really good too. Wow. Flavor is phenomenal. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.